Here I have CROSSCALL Core-M5, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by tapping on it, it asks you if you want to switch audio settings, so you can select, you can record device audio, microphone audio, or both. You can show touches on the screen. So when you tap start, this countdown starts, and after this countdown, recording is on. So now we're recording our screen. When you're done recording, you just go to the upper bar and tap stop here, and after that you can find this recording in gallery, in photos, in this special movies section, and here it is. And from here you can you can share, you can edit, you can delete your recording, or you can perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.